आपादमौलिपर्यन्तां गुरूणाम् आकृतिं स्मरेत् तेन विघ्नप्रणश्यन्ति सिद्धन्ति च मनोरथः लक्ष्मीन्तनोतु नितरामितरानपेक्षम् अङ्घ्रिद्वयं निगमशाकिशिखाप्रवालं हैरम्बमम्बुरुहडम्बरचौर्यनिकं विघ्नाद्रिभेदशतधारधुरन्धरन्नः सर्वेषां स्वागतं. Welcome all. So in the last class we learned how Dvitiya Vibhakti is used when Ubhayatah word is used. So that was a little bit of recap. So we did Paritaha. Paritaha means surrounding. So something that is in between and something that surrounds it, whatever is in between, that word will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. So in that picture, we see that the house is in between and then the garden is surrounding it. So we write Griham Paritaha. Griham, Grihaha, it is the word Namapada. Okay. So Mama Griham is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Paritaha means surrounding it, and Udyanam. Udyanam is garden. Asti. So that is the sentence we made. Now when we take up Ubhayataha. Ubhayataha means, see, Paritaha means surrounding in all directions. Ubhayataha means on the right side and the left side. So when something is there on the right and left side, then also we use Dvitiya Vibhakti. Whatever is in the center, Dvitiya Vibhakti will be used. And we solved all these things. Now, when we go to 11th exercise, we have to know some pronouns. Pronouns. We know it in English as he, I, we, etc., 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 etc. So in Sanskritam, what are the equivalents? Sarvanama Pada, they are called as. Pronouns are also called as Sarvanama Padas. So Sarvanama Padas are very important for us to understand. But we'll first understand the meaning. We already know three. What are those three? Those three are he. This is he. Saha, tau, te. This is Pratama Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti is tam, tau, tan. Then she, sa. Ekavachana, dvivachana, and then bahuvachana. So sa, te, taha. Sa, te, taha. What is the Dvitiya Vibhakti form? Tam, te, taha. What is Dvitiya Vibhakti used for? For karma. Karma karaka. Okay. Then tat. One more pronoun. It. It is equal to tat. So Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana tat. It. Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachana te. Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachana tani. In the same way, Dvitiya Vibhakti for all the Napumsakalinga forms will remain same. So therefore, it is usually used for Napumsakalingas. That means inanimate objects, or where we cannot assign any kind of gender. So there we use for Dvitiya Vibhakti tat te tani only. This is Ekavachana, this is Dvivachana, this is Bahuvachana. One more word we will, actually a few more we will learn in Sarvanama Padas. So first that we will learn is called as Asmat Pada, Asmat Sarvanama Pada. What is this Asmat Sarvanama Pada? We have to say I am running. I am eating. So what I, how should I say I? So for that, we use the word aham. Aham is prathama vibhakti, asmat, and it is ekavachana. Okay. Okay. So aham. Aham. Okay. So for dvivachana, what will it be? It will be avam. Avam. Okay. For bahuvachana, what will it be? Vayam. Vayam. So aham, avam, vayam. For one person, it is aham, that is I. Avam, we two. Vayam, we all. Okay. Then now we have to understand the Dvitiya Vibhakti forms because we are doing Dvitiya Vibhakti. Aham will become mam. Mam. Okay. Avam will remain avam. So the general rule that the first and the second form for Dvivachana, Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti will remain unchanged. Okay. Rame will remain Rame. Pustake will remain Pustake. And then Ramo will remain Ramo. So that one Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti, Dvivachana will remain unchanged. So here also it is Avam. Okay. The Bahuvachana form for Dvitiya Vibhakti, Aham. Aham is I again. Alright. So that will be Asman. Asman. Alright. Next, one more. This is I. Next, there is you. I, you. So for that, that is called as Yushmat Pada. Okay, this is called as Asmat. This whole Shabda Rupa, this is called as Asmat Pada. Now we will learn about Yushmat Pada. Alright. Yushmat is for you. This is usually second person. Alright. Here, the Prathama Vibhakti singular, that is Ekavachana, is Tvam. Tvam. Okay. Then the the Dvivachana form will be Yuvam. Yuvam. Okay. Then Bahuvachana form will be Yuyam. 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 Okay. This is your Pratama Vibhakti for you. You forms. You are doing. What is your name? We will see the changes when we make sentences. Okay. Dvitiya Vibhakti. Karma, indicating karma. Now, how should we do it? Tvam will become Tvam. Ah. Okay. Tvam. Again, Yuvam will remain Yuvam. Dual, the same rule applies. So, Dvivachana will remain same for Prathama and Dvitiya Vibhakti. Next, the Bahuvachana for Dvitiya Vibhakti will be Yushman. Yushman. Okay. So now if they have given tvam, it will change to tvam when you are saying it as karma. If you have given yuvam, it will remain yuvam only. Yum is given, it will change to yushman when we have to change it to dvitiya vibhakti. Okay. Then some more. There are a lot of sarvanama padas over here, so we will take care of it. Some we have done already. Sa we have already done. Sa also we have done. Saha, sa we have done. Yeshaha. Yeshaha. So Yeshaha is very easy actually. So Yeshaha is similar to Saha. Yeshaha. For Prathama Vibhakti singular. Ekavachana Yeshaha. Yeshaha. This you can equate it to the more this. This is Eshaha. Then the only change that happens is takara will come in the end. So no changes. So this is pullinga, shahar. We are indicating visarga. If you remember it, ramau came, no, instead of eshau, it will be etau. Takara will replace the shakara over here. So it is etau. And then ete will come for Prathama Vibhakti, Bahuvachana, this word, this pronoun. Okay. So, Yeshaha Ganeshaha. This is Ganesha. Okay. Etau will indicate dual. Ete. Ete. So, ete will indicate plural, Bahuvachana. Dvitiya Vibhakti for this is going to be similar to what we have learnt. We have to add for Dvitiya Vibhakti yetam. Yetam. Okay. There is another form, but we will keep it as etam right now. We will not change it. Okay. Then, similar to what our rule was for Dvitiya Vibhakti, Dvivachana, it will not change. So it is etam. Okay. Last one, if you remember Rama or Ramaha, what will it become? Raman will become, no, this will become Etan. 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 Okay. Similar to this, let us say we are doing, this is for Pullinga, let us say we are doing for Strilinga. That this will change its form to, instead of Eshaha, it will become Esha. Okay. So now, when it is Esha, what would be the form for? What would be the form for Vivachana? Any guesses? Rama.
Easy. Ete.
Ete. Ete. Because it is Rame. So it is Ete.
Ramarame.
Okay. Then, then
Etaha. Ramarame
Etaha.
Rama. Etaha.
Etaha. Okay. Dvitiya Vibhakti now. You just add Etam. And again, Ete will remain.
Same.
Last one is same repetition. What will it be?
Etaha.
Etaha. So the rule is pretty simple. For Pullinga, the Ekavachana, Bahuvachana forms will change. Dvivachana form will not change. For Strilinga, Ekavachana form will change, Dvivachana and Bahuvachana forms will not change. I'm talking only about Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay. Now, what was the rule for Napumsakalinga?
It will remain same.
That will be same for everything.
Same for everything. So Prathama and Dvitiya will remain same for everything. So for this, when we are indicating Napumsakalinga, the word is etat. Okay. Etat and then
Ete.
ete and then etani. This was the what
Ani.
we heard
Eta.
it in Pustakam, Pustake, Pustakani, no?
Yes.
So etat, ete, etani. So now Dvitiya Vibhakti is going to be
Same.
ete,
Etat. Ete. Etani.
etani. Simple. So this 5 we have learned now. Okay. Now 2 more we will learn. That is with respect to Bhavan. Bhavan is also a part of pronouns only. But the change will be inculcated when we come to speaking, when we are framing sentences. Okay, we will practice some sentences over here. Okay. Aham, mam. Can you see in this? Is there any similar words they have given over here? See, tat is given over here. Tat is similar to ye tat. Okay, tat anyway we have done. Tat we have done over here, no? Tat te tani. Etat ete etani. Similar. Hmm. Okay. So now Bhavan. So Bhavan is the I think Bhavan. For Bhavan, huh, Bhavan is for Ekavachana. If you remember Rama, Ramaha, what will come afterwards?
Ramaha. Ramau.
Ramau.
So here,
Ramah, Ramau, Ramaha.
so Bhavan, here, Bhavantau. Bhavantau. Dvivachana. So obviously the next one is going to be
Bhavantaha.
Bhavantaha. Okay.
Bhavantaha.
Ha. So now when I change it to Dvitiya Vibhakti, what will be the changes? Can you just think? Should be added, but n is already there. So we have to change it a little bit. It will become Bhavantam. Bhavantam. Okay. Obviously, Bhavanta will remain Bhavanta only. No changes. Okay. Ha. Then
Dvitiya, no change.
no changes in dual Vivachana. Now,
Vivachana.
ha, Bhavataha or Bahuvachana. Bhavataha. Okay. So this is one. This again is Bhavan is Pullinga. Okay. Now when we want to change it to Strilinga, there we use Bhavati. Okay. So there the form is going to be 1 minute. Bhavati. So Bhavati. the only difference, okay, I haven't learned it. Bhavati, Ikara is Dirgha over here. Dvivachana. Any idea?
Bhavatim.
No, no.
Sorry,
Dvivachana, not
Bhavat.
Tritiya Vibhakti.
Sorry. Bhavati.
Bhavati.
Bhavatyau.
Yo,
Bhavatyau.
yo. You remember what is Lekhani? Next,
Nadi
what was it?
Nadyau.
Nadi Nadyau Nadyah.
Nadyah.
Nadyau. So this will be Bhavati.
Bhavatyau.
Bhavatyau
Bhavatyau.
Bhavatyah.
Bhavatyau.
Bhavatyah.
Okay. So the next form is going to be
Bhavatyah.
Bhavatyaha. Okay. Then Bhavatyaha come down to Dvitiya Vibhakti now. Bhavati, Bhavatyau, Bhavatyaha. What will the changes be?
Bhavatim.
Bhavati.
Bhavatyau.
Ha. So now here there is a speciality.
Bhavatim.
No. Bhavatim is the Dvitiya okay, I was asking Dvitiya Vibhakti. Correct. Bhavatim is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Bhavatim is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Ha, yes. Or I'll let put this. Ha, Bhavatim. Next. What will be the form for
Bhavatyau.
Bhavatyau?
It will
Same.
remain the same for Dvivachanam. Bhavatyau.
Ha, Bhavatyau. Next it will be Bhavatyau.
Bhavatihi.
Bhavatihi.
Nadihi. So Bhavatihi.
नहीं
One.
नहीं भाव नहीं
Bhavatyau. Ha. Yes. Next it is going to be
Bhavatihi. Same.
Think. Ankani, Ankanyau, Ankanya.
Ankanya.
Ankani,
Ankanya.
Ankanyau,
Ankanihi.
Ankanihi came. Very good. Here, the change is going to be similar to Akaranta. You remember Akaranta Strilinga? Rama.
Rama Rame Ramaha. Ramam Rame
Ha.
रमाः
Rama.
So here what will happen? Bhavatyaha will repeat.
Bhavatyaha. Bhavatyaha.
अच्छा भवत्यः एवं ओके
No. Wait. I think I
No.
made a mistake. No, sorry. This is Ikaranta. No, it will remain. Yes, Bhavatihi only.
भवतीः न
Bhavatihi. Sorry, I got confused with Akaranta and Ikaranta. It is Bhavatihi only. Correct. Bhavati, Bhavatyau,
Same as
Bhavatyaha.
Ikaranta.
Ikaranta Strilinga. Ankani, Nadya. Nadi.
Okay.
Ha.
Yes.
Similar to
Nadi
that.
Nadya.
Ha. So, however, that goes, the same rule goes. No changes in that. Bhavatihi only it will remain. Okay. So, now we have done so many and we will try to use that. All right. So now what we have to do, you look at these 10 pronouns over here and then these 10 pronouns over here. You have to start with the karta. The karta is balakaha. Okay. Now, after you start with balakaha, what is the karma you are going to use? The karma is going to converting these things. We will see an example over here. Look at this. Balakaha tam janati, yetam na janati. The boy does not know this. He does know this. All right. That is the word, how it is getting framed. So, balakaha will remain the karta. Whatever is given in these grid, no, these 10 words, we have to convert it to Dvitiya Vibhakti. Accordingly, we have done so many, we will find out where they are and we will change it into Dvitiya Vibhakti. After we find out Dvitiya Vibhakti, if the letter is in this grid, then you have to add Janati. Janati means he knows. Na Janati means he does not know. So all these 10 words, this you have to convert it into Dvitiya Vibhakti, and it is na janati. And this is janati. So the first word is what? Balakaha. Saha is given. Saha, if I convert it into Dvitiya Vibhakti, it will be what?
Tam.
Tam. Okay. So now what will the sentence be? Balakaha tam
Tam
janati.
janati.
Okay. Then Eshaha is given. Eshaha, where it is? Eshaha, if I convert it into Dvitiya Vibhakti, it will be
Titiya. Etam.
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 Etam. Etam what? Na janati. So
Etam
what will
na
be given?
janati.
Balakaha tam janati.
Balakaha
Etam
saha.
na janati.
Etam na janati. Okay.
Ha. So now they have only given Balakaha and Janati. What you have to do is you have to change all these to Dvitiya Vibhakti. So you look at it and tell it now. Esha. What is the Dvitiya Vibhakti form? Esha.
Etam.
Etam. So etam janati. Sa Dvitiya form will be
Tam.
tam. Tam
Tam.
na
Na
janati.
janati.
Na janati. Next, Bhavan. Bhavan, Dvitiya Vibhakti form is
Bhavan.
Bhavantam.
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 Bhavantam. Bhavantam janati. Okay. Then, Aham. Aham, Dvitiya Vibhakti form is
Aham. Mam.
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 Mam na janati.
Janati.
Okay. Then, Bhavati. Bhavati will become
Bhavati.
Bhavatim what?
Janati.
Janati.
Bhavati.
Balakaha bhavatim janati. Okay. Then tat.
Will remain the same.
Tat will remain same. Dvitiya vibhakti. Yes, napumsakalinga. So tat
Tat na janati.
na janati. Then te. Te.
Uh,
You have to go back.
Tan. Tan.
Te. See this?
Te.
They
Ah.
will become tan.
Ha.
Tam. Tam.
Te will become te only.
Tam.
Doesn't change,
Te
na?
only.
It
Good.
can be, if we take it
Yeah,
masculine.
if it is, yes. This is the
probably no.
Bahuvachan.
yes. So te
Both
is coming in all
possibilities can be
three
there.
lingas. Now we have to understand where it is coming. Balakaha is pullinga. All right. Now I have to get some clue. So balakaha kim janati te I have to get. It can be any three. It can be any three. So for the sake of changing, I can say te na janati if it is in dual form. If he doesn't know two things, te janati, na janati or janati. If he doesn't know two things, then I can say te na janati. He knows it. Te na janati. He doesn't know two things. Okay. If what he doesn't know is in Pullinga, then it is going to be te to tan. Tan na janati, which is Bahuvachana. It is going to be in Pullinga.